So today I'm going to share something that's been crossing my mind about Tesla charging port. Um, I know it's an issue I had when I first bought my Tesla, and this might help someone. So when you charging your car, first thing you have to know is that it's locked automatically and it cannot just disengage. Okay, it has to be unlocked first, which once you have your key with you, okay, and you walk close to the car, it unlocks. Now you can remove the charger by clicking the button and watching it turn white. Now you can remove it. Now, a few ways you can open and close the charging port. The charging port closes automatically by itself. One way to open it is just by tapping it. It opens, and you can also slightly tug it to close it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and push it and watch it close. Let's give it a second. Watch it close. Okay. Now you can also click on the button on the charger once the charger is plugged. Once you click on the button on the charger, it opens the charging port. Okay. Now you can plug in your charger. Let me close that again by clicking on my key. Okay. Now, once your charging port is open, you do not have to push it close. You can easily just get in your car, right? If it doesn't open, tap on the door handle to open it. Once you get in the car and you hit that closes the charging port right away. Okay, that causes the charging port to close. My car's a little bit dirty right now, as you guys see, but just wanted to share with you guys real quick a few tips that I had to learn, and I actually watch YouTube videos to get it, and I hope you learn something from this video. Thank you.